Just want to go over here and try the thing that was showing me that I had a problem besides the error messages that showed up on the front page. Let's do a search here for the same plugin we were trying to install before, the all-in-one SEO. We just want this one here, the all-in-one SEO pack. Yes, I'm sure I want to install this plugin. We're going to activate the plugin. And then sorry about that. We're going to go to the configuration panel, which is right here. I want it to let me tell it what the title should be, so I'm going to leave this disabled. Use original title. I'm going to put in my homepage title, which would be Freedom House Buyers. Oops. Home description. We buy houses. Real estate. Real estate, investment, housing, houses, we buy houses. You would put in your keywords there. Use keywords enabled, use categories for meta keywords. No, use tags. We're going to leave that all the same. Rewrite titles enabled, capitalized titles, yes. We'll leave this all the same. SEO for custom post types enabled. We don't need the advanced. I don't put these in right now. I could do Google Analytics, but I don't have this one set up yet. We don't want to exclude any pages, so we're going to update the options. So that's it. That's the setup of all-in-one SEO pack. And I hope you're having a great day and keep on blogging. Thanks for watching. You've been listening to Heather Plude, another tutorial from freedomoutofthebox.com. Have a great day.